How to download and install Microsoft Office on Windows. Step 1. Check system requirements. Before downloading, ensure your PC meets the system requirements. Windows 10 or later. At least 4 gigabytes, RAM 4 gigabytes available disk space. Step 2. Sign into Microsoft Account 1. Open a web browser and go to the official Microsoft Office website. 2. Click Sign In and enter your Microsoft account credentials. 3. If you don't have an account, create one. Step 3. Purchase or use an existing license. If you have a product key, redeem it at http://setup.office.com. If you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, proceed to download. Step 4. Download Microsoft Office 1. After signing in, click Install Office. 2. Choose Office 365 apps or Office 2021, depending on your license. 3. The download will begin automatically. Step 5. Install Microsoft Office 1. Open the downloaded setup.exe file. 2. Click Yes if prompted by user account control. 3. The installation process will start. Wait for it to complete. Click Close once installation is done. Step 6. Activate Microsoft Office 1. Open any Office application, Word, Excel, etc. 2. Click Sign In and use your Microsoft account. 3. If required, enter the product key. 4th, Office will activate automatically if your subscription is valid. Step 7. Update and start using Office. Go to File, greater than Account, greater than Update Options, greater than Update Now to ensure you have the latest version. Now, you're ready to use Microsoft Office. Let me know if you need any help.